Carrot leaves are not only edible, they are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Vitamin K for bone, joint, cognitive, and heart health. Vitamin A for eye health. They have more vitamin C than the carrot root. They also have fiber, calcium, and iron. Potassium in carrot greens helps with the regulation of blood pressure, keeping your heart healthy, lowering the risk of stroke, supporting metabolism, and preventing osteoporosis. Magnesium for steady heartbeat, normal nerve and muscle function, strong bones, healthy immune system, optimal glucose levels, and the production of energy and protein. They also have chlorophyll, which shows potential in fighting growth of tumors, acts as a mild diuretic, and has detoxification effects. Thanks to carrot greens' antiseptic properties, their juice is used as mouthwash for bad breath and mouth sores. They can be added to salads, stir-fries, soups, vegetable shakes, hummus, pesto, or used as garnish. The stems are usually tough, so for eating, the softer top parts where the leaves begin to grow are best. The stems can be still used in vegetable broth or soups for flavor.